In this video, we will talk about Fluent CRM plugin. It has 30,000 plus active installations as of now. Hi, my name is Pankaj Solanki and I am a WordPress developer from Creative Pro team. Every small business needs email newsletter feature. It's your way to connect with your customers. You can set up automated emails, you can convert leads into customers in an automated way. So if you have heard about MailChimp, they charge a lot of fee for 2500 contacts. Similarly, if you have heard about Over, they also charge a lot of fee for similar contacts, and ConvertKit is way ahead in the prices. So what Fluent CRM does is it allows you to do what these services do at free of cost. Let's add the plugin. This is the one. Let's activate it. Now that the plugin is activated, you will see a menu here. Let's go to dashboard. I am sure you have seen a lot of 1-hour tutorials on Fluent CRM, but we will be quick and I'll show you all the essential settings. Let's add your business name, add a address, upload a photo. For some reason it does not upload, we can do this later. So contact segment list. One is hot leads, another one is customers who have already purchased. For tags, you can divide all customers or hot leads into two segments. For me, it is new website or running website. For someone who already has a website, and you can just click complete installation. No thanks. I am using the latest Fluent CRM plugin in 2024. So this is how your dashboard looks like. Let's go to contacts. People can come to your list directly using forums, or you can add them manually. For example, Mr. John Cena. Email can be anything. Phone number can be anything. Let's go to lists and add it to hot leads. Text should be new website and create and contact. If you go to contacts page, you will see that John Cena is in my contact list. I can now send him emails as I wish. Lists can be found here. You can add, delete them from here. Text can be found here. So this is how you segment your customers. Campaigns can be run from here. There can be two type of campaigns. Recurring campaigns, things like Christmas celebration. You can set it up for every 25th December. Or things like when you publish a new post, you can send an email to your list. So you can create your campaign here. Title can be anything like festivals. Once a campaign is created, you can just compose your emails from here. Add body, then subject, then recipients, and then just send it. So to run recurring campaigns, you will need Fluent CRM Pro. The pricing is simple and way cheaper than what others are charging. You can also set up automated email sequences, again in Pro version only. And you can create your own email templates for quick use. Let's go to forums. So customers can come to your list via forums also. So let's create one forum, email opt-in forum. So I'll use this forum where I can get hot leads. Okay, hot leads and new website. Double opt-in is enabled and I can directly use this shortcode on any of my pages. Let's now go to automations. So I can set up some triggers here that if a new contact is created, do this. If a new forum is submitted, do this. For example, if someone fills my contact form, I can just add him to my list also. So automations like these can be configured. Let's go to settings now. So I can change my business settings here. I could not add logo earlier, so I can add logo now. Save settings. In email settings, you can just add what name can be used and from which email address you will send emails, reply on all these things. Footer, etc. you can set up here. In general settings, you should have this setup so that whenever someone gets added to your users list, he can also get added to the Fluent CRM. Very useful for membership or WooCommerce websites. Okay, save the settings. This plugin can integrate with a lot of other plugins and services, but you will need a Pro version for this. Double opt-in settings can be changed from here. Double opt-in means if someone signs up from the forum, he still has to confirm that he signed up knowingly. Let's go to tools now. Very good setup here. You can see how much server has memory limit and currently how much it is using. Sometimes when server is overloaded, emails cannot be sent. And if cron jobs are filling, you can just run them manually from here. Very good settings. Compliance and legal setups can be done from here. Very good to use these two options. And you can also use the Fluent SMTP plugin so that emails will be sent without any issues. Without SMTP, some servers will not send any email. So this is very useful. You can just click here and add this plugin. Configure it directly from here. SMTP we will cover in another video. So let's go back to settings. And then there are some advanced features to change date format, etc. Let's go to reports. In Fluent CRM Pro version, you get reports of how many people opened your emails, how many clicked on the link that you sent in the email, etc. And there are a lot of add-ons for this Fluent CRM plugin. This is my favorite. You can set up WordPress help desk and help your customers directly. Beats a lot of other services like Zendesk. Very costly. You can do the same thing in the Fluent support plugin. You can see from here. And if you have any questions, you can just ask them here and get help. So this is how you use Fluent CRM plugin. Now that the tutorial is over, I have a question for you. Do you want to set up Fluent CRM properly in your website? Then you can book a call here and we will help you in setting it up for free. And if you want, we can also audit your website. It covers site speed, security, SEO, conversion and design. It is free. Thank you and I'll see you in my next video.